Children, we're here again today for our next animal adventure. This time, it's not really a counting book, but it's about animals who live in the forest. Some animals sleep during the day and they're awake at night, and some sleep at night and are awake during the day, kind of like us. So first we'll start with the animals that are awake in the day. And this book's name is Forest Bright, Forest Night. Sunlight, forest bright, after sleeping through the night. Leap and flash, deer splash. So there's the deer awake. Look who's asleep. Climb and stumble, bear cubs tumble. Someone else is asleep right there. Whittle and rap, woodpeckers tap. You can see someone sleeping in the tree while the woodpeckers are pecking on it. Slither and slip, snakes whip. So snakes are awake during the day. Jabber and talk, blue jays squawk. Can you see who's asleep and who's awake? Store and stash, squirrels dash. Chatter and chase, chipmunks race. Strut and wobble, turkeys gobble. Buzz and dip, bees sip. Roost and nest, quails rest. Sun sinks, moon winks, hello forest night. Now to get to the forest, we have to turn the book upside down and open it again. Moon bright, forest night, after sleeping through the light. Hoot and perch, owl eyes search. So now the owl's awake and the deer's asleep. Parade and plod, porcupines trod. So here's the sleepy bears and the porcupines who are awake. Climb and sneak, opossums peek. So here's the woodpeckers, that one's awake, but these guys are asleep. Yip and yowl, foxes prowl, while the snakes sleep. Scurry and scramble, skunks amble. Here are the blue jays are asleep. Slither and slide, salamanders hide. Here's the salamanders looking around. They're awake at night. Nibble and crunch, mice munch. So the mice are out, the chipmunks are asleep. Paddle and swim, beavers trim. There's the beavers awake. The turkeys are asleep. Jump and crawl, crickets call. So the crickets are awake and the bees are asleep. Have you ever heard the crickets at night making their little noise? Flip and flop, frogs hop. Looks like the frogs and the quails are awake, if you ask me. Moon goes down, sun goes round. Hello, forest day. The end.